check, mic check. All right, looks like we're all good to go. Let's transition to my beautiful, handsome face. All right, so yeah. So continuing on to part 2 of this. GraphQL, right? So now I'm going to try to do a short demonstration of how to get GraphQL working and like displaying stuff in Gridsome, in the Gridsome app that I built in the previous video. So I'm not going to go into like the details of like what GraphQL is and all that jazz. That's like a whole other thing into itself that deserves its own video and whatnot to get into the details of that. But let's see if I can do this fairly quickly. So picking up from where we left off, we've got the site, we got the blog page, which is going to be the new blog page eventually, and this content is going to be getting the gist files that I've got stored on GitHub, right? That are those that are public. So there, I discovered there is in fact a API on GitHub that tells you the nitty-gritty of how you can use GitHub calls to, API calls, specific calls to get your data, right? To see the data and what data it is that you're going to pull for your API stuff. I already have that worked out, figured out. Here is the endpoint that I'm going to be using for the blog to begin with. And then later on, I'll figure out like how to make it look cool, right? But right now, the main thing is I have an API endpoint. I want to point my app to it and have GraphQL display something from it. That's the win, right? Okay, so what you need. So inside of Gridsome, well, let me show you documentation. Always refer to documentation. So there is, let's see, do I want to start at this page first or probably not? I probably want to go here first, copy and paste this, paste and go here. Querying data, right? So how to query with GraphQL. Grab this URL and stick that in your notes someplace and come back here to see this in the documentation. But basically this is kind of like where they have it broken down for you. The differences between page query or static query. Well, I'll read it. So you can query data from GraphQL data layer into any page, template, or component. Woohoo! Right? Queries are added with a page query or static query block in your view components. Use page query in pages and templates, right? Pages and templates, and use static query in components. So these guys over here. So then it goes into the detail of how to query with GraphQL on this particular page. Now, I followed these instructions before and they got frustrated because I couldn't see my data, right? So here's what I did, okay? There's a key thing that you want, and also, let me see, there's another page on this site that was also beneficial besides this one. Copy, let me put this in a new tab and I'll put them together, paste. Okay, so this is the fetching data, importing from APIs, right? Import from APIs, somewhere in the docs here. What page is this exactly? So import from APIs, that's here. What's on the top of this page? Yeah, importing data. Ta-da! Right, importing data. So importing data, you're gonna need to look at the gridsome.server.js file, which is sitting here, which I already have open, right? Import data from any content APIs to the GraphQL data layer with data store API, blah, 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 blah. I'm not gonna read what's already there. You can read it for yourself, yeah. Nobody wants to just listen to me read stuff. So yeah, anyway, here's the file, gridsome.server API, and there is a API hook that's here called load source. That is the key thing that you're going to be looking to use, right? So what we're going to do is that we're going to call the API here. We're going to then create a thing called a collection. That's in the documentation as well. And then with that collection, we're going to add nodes onto our GraphQL that will then show up in the GraphQL server, and you'll be able to see that data in a minute, right? First, though, before we do the grabbing with API data, we need to do a little installation. So here in dependencies, in your package.json file, we're going to do a little installation of Axios. So let's see, I'm going to put this here, and then we're going to put that there, and then we're going to open this, and then we're going to say yarn install. Well, if you're doing npm, do npm install, right? We're going to run that puppy, hope nothing explodes. If it does, I'll have to fix it. Okay, nothing exploded, fantastic. All right, so now that's in place. We'll go back to Gridsome server, and let's see, I'm going to make a space underneath here, and I'm going to do a nice little cooking lady thing, Julia Childs thing, and we're going to just go, ta-da! Okay, ta-da! All right, so let me explain each of these particular things. Yes, so you're screaming at me, so that means, wait, make function asynchronous, we get all that stuff in play, API load source, exports load source, right. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot. Got to add in the Axios into the system. Okay, require Axios. There you go. Okay, groovy sauce. All right, cool. Okay. So, node externals. Can't remember if I need that just yet. Let me continue with this. May not need that. No, that's for a different thing. Okay. Yeah, all right. So there we go with that. And let me break this down. I'll move this over a bit because I want to get a little bit more space this way. All right. So we've got Axios. We are making our call here on this line. Don't ask again, go away. To grab the endpoint, which is this same endpoint that I showed you before a second ago. That's this puppy right here. We just grabbed that, right? That's the match. Right? And here we're making our collection to add the to create a collection called post, and within that collection we're adding a node so that we can see our title and ID for a unique ID for something that's on in the display, right? So I've got item for data, and a particular item of data after the data is collected, right? Maybe I renamed this like data's items, maybe item of items. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do is rename this from data to items, but I'll do that later on. Item to items, or item of data, whatever. So now I've got item.description, and that's going to pull the description for each of these and the ID for each of these, right? So some of these descriptions are empty because I didn't put descriptions in the gist, but later on the descriptions have stuff in them, right? Actually unique, which will be unique titles for them, right? So The idea being that I'll be able to see the descriptions display as a list when I hit the blog page, when I hit that route, right? So, okay. So, nothing there just yet. Oops, let's see what else we got here. What else do I have here? What else do I have here? Do I need that in place? Okay, wait, why are you still red? Make functions async. The await operating. Oh, where is async? Async. I missed something. Yeah, wait, where is async? What did I miss? Wait, there's something that I missed. Oh, there it is, right in front of me. Okay, wait. Load actions. Wait. Load source. Add collection. Wait. Add collection. Wait, what's that? So hang on. That's because that's the default thing that was in the placeholder that was sitting in here, right? So what do we want? We want async. Async actions. There we go. Okay, there it is. All right, solid. Okay, great. Async actions. Cool. Now that's wired. We got the collection. We've got. I don't like that data. Item of items. I want this to be like items. I want this to say items. I don't think so. That tracks better. Item of items. Item of items is proper syntax, right? Let's hope I didn't break anything with that. Let's see. So we've got that wired. That's groovy. Axios is installed. We've got the code in place. Now we need to go to the Explorer to see what the deal is. And if you remember, I think that I have it running in here. No, it wasn't this one. It was here, right? When you run this, it automatically starts a GraphQL server for you, right? The Explorer, right? So let's pop that open. Paste. Oh, yeah, we don't want that little thingy there. Hit the Explorer. Start running. Yay! Okay, cool. Oh, it still remembers this. Okay, so here's the. I didn't want it to show that just yet. I want it to just be blank. But here's the thing that drives me nuts. That drove me nuts for a long time, right? Because this little thing that I have highlighted does not show up when you first start this up normally, right? Can I get this to disappear? Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, and you come in here and you see like a thing like schema, and you're like, okay, what am I looking at? And as a new person into GraphQL, you're like, where am I? Right? I've been dropped into the middle of the desert with no GPS. I got nothing, right? So yeah, you'll get totally freaked out with that, and rightfully so. You'll be profanity will occur, as it did on my much longer video when I was first doing this. But here's the thing. So what you would write is query, and then you've got like a little squiggly brace here that opens up, and then that's going to automatically close. And you want to say, so remember we named the collection post, right? We created a collection and then we gave it a type name of post. So you'll want to say all, use the keyword all, post, and let's see, hit the squiggly brace again, and then this is going to become edges. Oh yeah, this craziness. So then there's this thing called edges and node for the individual items that will show up on the list, right? That individual objects that show up in your API endpoint on the web page on this guy, right, will become nodes that that you're going to show, that these will be turned into nodes inside GraphQL. Right? GraphQL is all about nodes, right? Edges and nodes, which I don't think I fully understand just yet, but that's kind of what that is right now, right? Edges and nodes. Let's see, node or nodes? Yeah, just individual node, right? Now I can tell it what I want specifically to grab, right? Another thing about GraphQL is that it's very specific. You tell it exactly what you want to get out, right? It's not gonna spit out a whole ton of information on the entire object, right? It's just gonna say, okay, I'll grab this one thing that you're asking me for to display this one thing, right? At least that's how I understand it right now. Again, I'll make a video and build some more stuff about GraphQL to kind of like get into the weeds of it, to like get a full understanding of it. But for now, that's kind of how this fits in my head. I may be wrong. Free to correct me in the comments. But yeah, there we go, right? So I want to tell it I want ID and a title. And I think now, do I have this in here correctly? I think that's correct. I think all the squiggly braces are in the same spot, and then this node is grabbing these correctly. I'm not sure about the alignment of the squiggly braces. Cannot query field all post on type query. Did you mean all page? For some reason it does not like all post. Nope, I meant all post because I named it post. So, interesting. Let me see something here. All post. I don't think that matters. Well, I'm not sure, but I know originally I had the squiggly braces set up differently, right? So just making sure that that's not a problem, and I think that's okay like that. Can I query all posts? Okay. Yeah, I cannot query up. Okay. Why are you not giving me the thing that I expect to see? And it's looking, why is it saying page? All page? Why is it saying page? Okay, I'm gonna dive into that. And then no error message. Curious. Can I query edges on type? Can I query field edges on type? Okay. Nope. That's definitely not doing that. Doing what I expected. And it's not showing a thing. Okay. Plot twist. All right. So something is amiss. Something is not right. What did I undo that's not done? I wonder if I know that I was trying to do something. I don't think this has anything to do with it. Hang on for a second here. Okay, we gotta play jazz here. So let's try this. I know I did this before. Did that modify this somehow? Paste. I grabbed GraphQL. Hang on. Copy and paste. Did that change this somehow? Yarn install. Hit that. Okay. GraphQL Explorer and GraphQL. Let's see. All right, so, and this is on 8080, right? So all post edges. Holy frack! It's like it's still. What the heck? What the frack, man? What the frack? Okay, wait. What the heck? Why is that not hitting the endpoint? Cannot query field all posts on type queries. No, bro. I'm looking for. Oh. Okay, no, this was good. This was good. Okay. All right, now whack this. All right, forget that and whack this. Okay. All right, cool. Oh, greetings, chat. I've got a chatter. Hello. All right, so let me do this. I was so into the zone, I did not look to see if anybody was joining my stream here. Let's see. So I'm going to yarn install, which should undo the other ones, right? Great. Okay, cool. And I forgot that when you make these changes on this level, I think you have to restart the app. That's what I think is going on. So let's undo that. Let's restart that. Did not like them. Items is not iterable. Okay. So did not like my modification of that. So let's go back to that, and we'll just say data then. Okay. No need to get all cross. Get all in a bunch. All right. Cool. Let's go back and see that again. Pop. Okay. Cool. And let's run this again. All right, there we go. Now let's load this puppy. Okay. Aha! Okay, great. No error messages now. Yes! Okay. Awesome sauce. Yay! Awesome sauce. Cool. All right, so now we can scroll, and again, the titles are going to be empty for the first ones because I didn't put descriptions in them on my gist files, right? And you can see that on the API endpoint here at the top. When you scroll up here, you'll see that there. But click on here, but you can see further down we start getting titles, IRC cheat sheet, decorator pattern, patterns exploring. Should be patterns. I'm gonna have to actually properly spell check my things. So now I can see the things. Yay! All right, and I can see the things there. Fantastic, right? Now, bringing them into the page. So we go to the page, not that page, this page, and of course nothing's there right now because, well, we don't have anything in that particular page, but we do have the stuff now is sitting as a collection in our GraphQL and in our data layer. So I can go to my to my page here, and remember back in the documentation where it was saying that you've got to use page query, right? Let me see if I can go back to that page. Where's that page? Yeah, there it is. So page query, right? Page query and static query, right? In this case, I'm inside pages, so I'm going to be using page query. And they kind of give you a general idea of what that's going to look like so, right? So let's say we would grab this, and we would say, okay, copy that, and I'm going to put that right here, paste, ping. Oh yeah, this whole thing, right? Yeah. For some reason, I don't know quite yet why that does that. But that's perfectly fine because I'm going to get in here and redo all the things. more. Move you over there. Edges and impulse. Okay, there we go. Cool. So ID title node and hours is not all world or all word, but all hours is just all post, right? So all post. Now we've got this is the I don't want to use that word hook too much, but because that's kind of special in certain circumstances. This is the connection between what we've got going on here in Grid Server and this particular page. This now allows us to do the following. And again, I'm going to do a nice little. Well, maybe. But my gut is telling me maybe I should. I'll try to actually just build it out. So we're going to say HR, put an HR line here, and we're going to do a div. And we're going to split that puppy open, and inside the div, we're going to do a nice little v4. Actually, can't you just do a v? I think a v4 as a div. Anyway, v4, right? v4, and inside the v4, we're going to say edge in dollar page dot post dot edges. Let's see, and give it a unique key of edge dot node, right? Dot node dot ID, because that was definitely going to be unique. And now I can now get let's see, h2. We'll say h2, and we'll say handlebars. Let's see, edge dot node dot title. Oh yeah, this, okay, handlebars. So okay, so that's, yeah, actually that's a view thing, so I won't have to go over that again here, but maybe this is the first view video that you see from me, but this is in, just like React, just like Vue in Gridsome, you use, because it's just Vue, right, that you're doing for the view layer, right? You're using little handlebar thingies to do your interpolation, right? So yeah, now that should iterate through all the things. Wait, this is still something that's wrong. Yeah, I'm missing something. Yeah, wait, section. Yeah, okay, let me put all those inside the thing. There we go, everybody's in the thing. All right, so that looks about right. I think that should now grab all the things. Yeah, let's see, or it won't, and things will explode, and then I'll have to fix them. So okay, we got explosions. I think. Do I have explosions? I don't think I needed to restart this. What blew up? Let's see. Console. Render type error cannot read properties of undefined reading edges. Edges. Oh, edges. Does not like edges. Found in blog index.view. Okay. Cannot read properties of undefined reading edges. Okay, so edges. Defined reading edges does not like edges. What? Okay. What is stuck here? Page query. Okay, is that, wait, why is that underlined? That should be, wait, can we go over here? Oh no, that's fine. That's just a issue with thingamabob. Let's see. Script scoped right. Let's bring this down here. Page query, right. What's the deal, Phil? missing? Post, all post. Edges node ID title. Edges node. Maybe I misspelled something someplace else. Let's check this out. Let's look at these side by side. Maybe make them a little bit bigger here. Did I write something incorrectly? What is the error, bro? It's not liking edges. What am I missing? What am I missing? Well, there's one thing. Node externals. Edges cannot read properties of undefined reading edges. Undefined reading. Wait. First, let me see something. Let's see if this was the problem. Let's do the simple restart. Why is that not pulling that? Why is that? So that's pulling the data, but now I'm getting this edges problem. So what's the deal? Nope, still. Okay, can I read properties of undefined reading edges? Okay. Let's see something else. There was something else I did in here that I don't remember why I did it, but let's see this for a second here. Let's go ahead and incorporate this and grab this as well. Let's see, because that I think this is specifically something that I was doing with Viewtify, but I don't remember why, because Viewtify is working perfectly fine now. So let's try this particular incantation in here too. Paste. Don't think that's going to do anything because that's a Viewtify thing. So it's something else that's breaking. Yeah, we did. Okay, so we do have to do this because we just did that. Yes. Can I find module node? Webpack node externals. So wait, what the heck was I doing with that? Let's see here. This package JSON. There we go. Okay. Package JSON. Aha. Okay, let's grab this. Copy, and let's see, that was inside here. Paste right on. Let's get this going, and let's do yarn install. No externals. Yeah, that was for a Viewtify thing, but I don't think this was the problem for this. Okay, right on. Don't think that's what's going on here. Right, this is something else. What is this? Error in render type error. Type error. Cannot read properties of undefined reading edges found in this line. Okay, what the heck? Reading edges. Well, so much for the quick tutorial here. Why is that broken? So yeah, that didn't do anything for me. That's not related to that at all. That's a beautified thing. What's missing here? I'm gonna ditch this line for now. Just want that out of the way. What am I missing here? Okay. This has got to be like a simple little typo that's just sitting right in front of my face, and I'm just not seeing it, right? I don't care about that right now. I just care about this right now. Something. Oh, bingo, got it. All right, so let me undo this other craziness that I just put in here because I didn't need that. Should have practiced this a bit more. Post with an S. There we go. Let's see. Where does that come from? It's all post with an S. There we go. Edges. Okay, cool. Ta-da! Okay, let me clear this. Let's see. Yeah, ta-da! There we go. Okay. Yay! All right, there it is. Yeah, simple typo. It was a simple typo. This other craziness that I had in here, I don't think I need. This right here for Viewtify, I don't think I need. So I'm going to ditch that for now, and I'm going to ditch that for now, and we're going to go back into package.json. I'm going to turn you back on, and we're going to ditch that for now, and maybe I'll need it for something else, but for right now, I do not. And we're going to do yarn install to get that all happy again. Let's go to, come on. Let's just do this just in case. Hit that, run that again. Nobody explodes in my face. Fantastic. And yeah, okay. Let's hit inspect again. We're groovy. Who is this? Webpack. Okay. Up there we go. All right, now it reloaded. Okay, cool. And there we go. No console errors. Great, groovy. All right, there it is. Cool. Sorry for the typo that kind of led us into a little circle of me trying to figure out why that was breaking and doing things that I really felt weren't going to solve the problem. But anyway, but we got it, right? So there it is. Real simple, real basic, like here's your API endpoint. Here's how you pull it into a Gridsome app and then get that content displayed on your page, right? Now you can do anything you want. You can get the rest of the content. I'm going to get the rest of the content. I got to figure out how I'm going to mock this thing up to figure out how I want this page to look and everything so that it eventually is kind of similar, or at least mirrors the idea of my old blog site, and and start having like new content posted up here. So now I can just type in my stuff in markdown files because that's what I've kind of gotten used to for a number of years, and get the images over there and all that kind of jazz, and the regular text and the code text. Anyway, I'm talking too much. GraphQL and Gridsome, real basic tutorial. Hope this was helpful. Hope this was helpful to someone. If I can get my words out, I'm gonna go eat some ice cream, some chocolate brownie ice cream, and watch a movie. Cheers. Be seeing you. All right, and let's do a nice little transition. See you later, chat. Thanks for joining. Until next time.